Your YouTube history is exposing everything you have watched. Want to erase it in seconds? Let me show you exactly how to delete YouTube history step by step. First, launch your YouTube app. Now navigate to the You page. At the top right, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on it. Now click on the option Manage All History. Here you can see everything you have watched. To delete a specific video, just tap the cross mark next to it and confirm by clicking Delete. If you wanna delete all of it, click on this drop down. You will get the time frame. Select the option of your choice. I'm gonna select Delete All Time. This will wipe your entire YouTube history for a fresh start. If you don't want YouTube to save your history at all, you can turn history off from the same page. So navigate to this tab. Controls. Now here you're gonna find this option Turn Off. Click on it. Now click on the option Pause. Now your YouTube watch history won't be saved. And that's it. Your YouTube history is gone in just a few taps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.